Alright, this is my custom Maxi Trac compressor. Got this from Napa for like about 90 bucks with a 20% off. Originally at 115, I believe, give or take. And basically this is my hose kit that I made for myself. From what digging around, and I just realized that most compressors have almost the same fitting. So keeping that in mind, I left this alone. So just in case if any other person off the trail needs to borrow my compressor and their hose kit doesn't adapt to mine, it's easier for me to keep this and adapt it through here. I haven't used it a lot, so I wouldn't be able to tell you if it's sustainable or not, but let's go down with the parts kit. So I bought a 7-piece coupler and plug set. The only one I used was one female coupler, and I guess they call this the plug, and one male. So for the Amazon items, what you want to buy is a 7-piece coupler. I bought a 7-piece because that was the cheaper option instead of, I'm not 100% sure, but if I would have went to Harbor Freight and stuff and bought one of these, or it might have been the same price, I'm not 100% sure. So all this is gonna be 1/4 inch, and then I have the male plug into a 1/4 ball valve to shut it, open it, bleed it, all that stuff. And then I have the gauge, 290s. The reason why I have 290s is because I ordered the wrong gauge. I'm supposed to order the one that goes straight, for the port to be straight to the back, so it just connects straight over here, but it is what it is. And then the hex piece right here, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then items, and then the 50-foot hose that goes all the way over there, Flexzilla. And then there's a kit on Amazon that has a pair of T's, 4-piece closed valve chucks, and then this piece right here, the 1/4 inch to barb, and there's a pack of 5 on Amazon. So with all that, you should be able to put everything together. I did have some of my own hose clamps to use. Some of the kits do provide it. So let's get this put back together real quick. So what I did was I pulled it all apart to make them equal lengths when they're still together. I cut it in half, put these pieces together, and then from there I measured all the way from there, so over here is 10 feet, and then from here to here is 4 feet. So technically, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, that was one of my hoses, one side. And then from here to here is 11. So one side 11, 4, 10. That's 25. So that mirrors the other side, which is complete 50 feet. I'm pretty sure I could have made this shorter right here where it's 11 feet. But at the same time, I didn't feel like wasting hose, so I just kept it like that. So that's a little bit more in-depth with the measurement wise. But of course, if you have a different car, the T could be branched off to anywhere else, and you can have a longer piece on the T. So on the description, I'll try to kind of put everything together, but all this wrapped around will fit in this bag. I've tried it. I guess later on, when I keep using this hose kit and it keeps annoying me because the 11-foot is too long, then obviously I'll cut it down. Very simple. But yeah, it works great. Gauge is pretty cool. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run to a dual gauge, I guess. But yeah, that's about it.